How to save money on airfare. Number 1. Be flexible. If you're flexible about travel dates, you can often save more than $100 on your airline tickets. Number 2. Get on the list. Get on the email list for all major airline carriers and ticket sites. These carriers and sites routinely send discount offers and coupons. Number 3. Get bumped. Airlines routinely overbook flights because they know some people won't show up. If you're traveling to a popular destination, especially on a weekend, the odds of the plane being overbooked is pretty high. Arrive at the airport early and try to get to the gate as soon as your plane arrives. Be the first in line at the gate counter and tell the attendant you want to get on the bump list. If the flight is overbooked, the attendant will ask for volunteers to take a later flight. Few people want to do that, so the airline will begin offering incentives like future travel discounts, vouchers for food, and payment for accommodations if you have to stay overnight. Negotiate with the attendant for more benefits. They're authorized to offer a lot more than they will initially announce. Number 4. Book early. The best prices for tickets are found when you book at least 3 weeks to 1 month before the scheduled departure. Number 5. Fly midweek. Studies show that most people travel on weekends and Monday, but the midweek days are much slower. Look up the fares and you may find that the difference can be as much as $100 or more. Number 6. Check all local airports. If your destination has more than one airport, check what it costs to fly to either. The savings can be as much as $200 when you choose the smaller, less crowded airport. Number 7. Round-trip or multi-destination tickets. You can save $500 or more by booking the flight to and from your destination at the same time. Most airlines have multi-city specials as well, so if your travel encompasses more than one destination, be sure to inquire about that. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.